This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create folders in Gmail. I'm going to jump over to the Firefox browser. This will work basically the same in Chrome and other browsers too. First thing you need to do is sign into Gmail, of course. I'm already signed in here. This is my backup account. Next thing you want to do is the pane off to the left-hand side. You want to click on More. That will reveal more options. And then you want to scroll down to where you see Create New Label. You want to click on that. And then from here you will add a title of what you want your folder to be called. I'm just going to call mine Business. And I'm going to click on Create. Now if I scroll back up, you could see the folder that I just created right here. There's a little three-dot hamburger menu off to the right-hand side. If you want to customize your folder even further, you can click on this and it'll give you more options. And say if I wanted to move, I'm going to click on my business folder right now and you can see it's empty. But if I go back to my inbox and I want to move this top email here over to there, I just drag it across over to my business folder and drop it. Another way you could do it is to select an email, and when you're done reading that email, you could click on the little icon that says Labels. If you put your mouse over it, you'll see it says Labels. Click on that if you want to move the email, and I'm going to click on the business folder here and I'll click Apply. Now if I go back to my business folder, I'll have two emails in there, the two that I just moved. That's how you create folders in Gmail. Thanks for watching.